Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here's another video that I want to make regarding some puddle lights for my 6th gen 4Runner that I ordered from Hansshow. And you know, when I was looking at different options, I felt like Hansshow had the best options out there. The reviews were great. They make a lot of products for Teslas. They've been getting into the 4Runner and Toyota space, and they do make good quality products. So wanted to share the installation of these and what they look like. So basically these are puddle lights that will basically go down here. And then they will illuminate on the ground and give you a 4Runner design right around here, right? So they have another option that says Toyota, but I wanted the 4Runner badging. And the cool thing about it is that I'm going to put it in the link. I'm going to put the links down below in the description with my link for a 20% discount on these, and technically a 20% discount on anything on their website for the 4Runner. They do make some really cool things for the 4Runner. So check it out and use my link in the description and you'll get 20% off. All right, so let's get to installing these. Here's what they look like. All right, so these are just gonna snap in. I'm gonna plug them in and snap them in, and these little projector lights are going to show 4Runner on the ground. First order of business, let's remove this. Just grab one of these tools, trim removal tool, pull this out, and let's replace this with this. All right, there you have it. Install the first one. Simply easy to do. Just remove the male from the female right here and plug it into that one. Simple as that. And then just pop it back in. You'll see it's kind of daytime outside. So, but you see that it's a big 4Runner logo. I'll try and do a video when it gets a little darker as well. And you can see that it reflects 4Runner, the little pattern design. All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, let me show you how easy it is to pop these off. Just take your trim tool, and that's it. Pull it out. Take a little screwdriver so you could stick it in. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so bear with me, it's easy. Stick that in there, pop that off, plug it into this one, and you're done. And there you go, popped it in. Literally takes 3 seconds. And that's it. There you go, 4Runner. Again, still pretty light outside, but when it gets dark, this thing's gonna illuminate pretty big. All right, now that it's around 8:30, and it's dark, or kind of dark, so let's see what they look like. Whoa, these are bright. Check that out. Pretty cool, huh? That is super bright and pretty damn big. Now that's a puddle light. I'm a size 10 and that's my flip-flop. So there you have it. That's what they look like at night. They're super bright and they are large. There you have it, guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And if you're truly interested, click on my link in the description and it will give you a 20% discount on these. All right. Thanks again for subscribing to the channel. Hit those like buttons and keep following for more mods on this 2025 6th Gen 4 and TRD Pro. Talk to you later.